Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So I'm smiling because I know that you guys are also going to smile. There's something special for you in this video, so make sure you stick around all the way till the end of the video. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while now, or even if you're new to my channel, know that my favorite protection for automotive glass is currently from a company called GlassParency. Now, I reviewed their automotive kits in April of 2019 on my channel, so of course go check that video out if you haven't done so yet. But this is basically a hydrophobic barrier for your windshield, and there are many advantages to it. I like it so much that I applied it on my own BMW. I've had it for over a year now, and the results are still like day one, absolutely amazing. So a great protection for glass, and there's something for you again in this video, so make sure you stick around. But yeah, they've done something awesome because they read the comments, and this normally is installed by authorized dealers. However, GlassParency read my viewers' comments, and they kind of figured that you guys would want to try it at home. So yeah, you know what? Let's talk about this special thing. So let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into this because, as I said, I know you guys are excited. I'm almost to the point of revealing what will be going on. Well, as you guys know, GlassParency, they're makers of this awesome glass protection. So they make different kits. So this is a windshield kit to cover your windshield, so a hydrophobic barrier. And they also make a total glass kit, basically a bigger version that comes with even more things inside to coat all of your vehicle's glass. And so normally these kits have to be installed by professional authorized dealers because it comes with a 3-year warranty if you go through those dealers. And it also comes with free scheduled maintenance because every 90 days you add a bit of a topper on it to refresh and rejuvenate and make sure you get the optimal performance. And so GlassParency read the comments of my YouTube review and saw that many of you guys really wanted to try this at home. So they are hooking my viewers up with a giveaway. So they'll be giving away these windshield kits. The only thing you guys have to do is pay for shipping and handling. So in Canada and the USA, we're talking roughly $9.95 US dollars for shipping and handling. So super inexpensive, basically to cover the shipping and the moving costs. And that's pretty much it. I'll make sure, by the way, to include all the details and where you guys have to click to benefit from this in the description under the video. So make sure you check that out. Click the show more option under the video and you'll have all the details and how you can get this yourself. By the way, you can get as many kits as you want as long as you pay for shipping and handling. And if you're outside of the USA and Canada, regardless of where you are, you can still go ahead and ask for these. All you have to do is to send an email to the link that I'll put in the description under the video so you can get a quote from GlassParency for shipping and handling in your country. But yeah, I'm super excited. Of course, well, you guys, if you remember the kit, let me have a close-up here. So the purpose to have this installed on your vehicle's glass is to increase visibility in the rain, in the night, and also during snowy conditions. It optically improves the clarity of the glass. Let me show you the rear part here. It reduces night and daytime glare. It keeps the glass super clean and pristine. And of course, it increases overall safety and of drivers and passengers. So basically the total glass protection, this is absolutely nuts. This is made in the USA, so it's a fantastic coating. It creates basically a hydrophobic barrier. So the water is basically going to bead off and sheet off extremely quickly. Often you'll notice that you probably don't even need wipers when you're driving on the highway, for example, when it's raining, because the water just sheets off the vehicle. In the kit, it's pretty simple again. So you basically get two types of chemicals that are on different wipes. You get step A and you get step B. So two different packs. And also you get a cream cleanser. You're gonna have to prep the glass. So you get the packet of cream cleanser and you get the applicator also for the cream cleanser. And I'll link the video review, of course, to my channel if you wanna see how you can apply this at home. But if you follow all the steps, you will have some great success as well. So essentially, you're gonna clean and prep the glass. Make sure you clay the glass if needed. You're going to apply the cream cleanser using the applicator as well. Once you're done cleaning the surface, thoroughly rinse and dry the surface. You're going to go ahead and clean the glass using an alcohol-based glass cleaner. Then you're going to go ahead and apply step A. You're going to wait about a minute. You're going to go ahead and apply step B, and you're going to remove the residue, and that's it. No curing time is needed. You can drive off in the elements right after application, even in the rain if need be. And look at those hydrophobic properties. The water is super quick to bead off and to sheet off the windshield. It is absolutely nuts, guys. Of course, the maintenance of your glass afterwards is going to be a lot easier because of that glass protection or that glass coating. Well, essentially, the maintenance is going to be super easy because everything is going to be a lot easier to wash. The dirt and all the junk has less of a tendency to stick to the windshield, so much easier to clean. Also, with the windshield kits that are included in the giveaway, you're going to be getting a maintenance kit also for the first 90 days. So after the first 90 days of applying it, you're going to get a little maintenance spray that you're going to be using on it as well. So basically it rejuvenates the coating. Make sure you get the optimal performance out of it. Additional maintenance packages will also be available for purchase. So guys, to get all the latest information and most up-to-date info, again, check the links and of course all the information in the description under the video. And yeah, if you also want what they're offering at a minimal cost, you can upgrade also and get the total glass kit. So essentially this is like the windshield kit, but has a lot more of the steps A and B, a bigger also prep kit that's inside there, so you can take advantage. So basically, yeah, for a minimal fee or upcharge, you'll have access to purchase the total car kit to cover all of your vehicle's glass. So that is pretty awesome. Again, GlassParency are hooking my viewers up with this free windshield kit. All you have to do is pay that shipping and handling fee of roughly $9.95 US if you live in Canada or the USA. And again, if you live in any other country and are interested in getting one of these for free as well, just reach out to the contact link I'll have in the description under the video and you'll get a quote for the shipping and handling fees in your country. But yeah, I'm super excited because you guys are going to get to enjoy this at home as well. Again, it won first place for my favorite glass protection in my most recent car detailing products awards video, where I pick my favorite products in each category in the automotive detailing world. And yeah, they've been awesome. I like the fact that companies like this go ahead and read viewers' comments. It shows that they actually care, and they decided to make you guys benefit. So by the way, smash the thumbs up button if you like the fact that we're hooking you up with this awesome giveaway. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know, by the way, if you've tried GlassParency, how you like it in the comment section under the video. Pretty fantastic things. And also, that company, well, they're not sitting on their laurels. Although they came out with this awesome product, they keep on innovating. And again, they're hooking my viewers up with even more cool stuff. And I'm giving you an awesome preview here. Hopefully, I'm one of the first on YouTube to show you, but I don't know if you saw the bottle in the background. Look at this. Many of you guys know that I was waiting to review graphene coatings from reputable companies because it was too early on at the beginning of 2020. Only some micro brands were producing these, and I thought it was too early in the game. So yeah, when I started testing this from GlassParency, because they told me that something amazing was coming, pretty awesome. Now, I'm going to ask you guys for something. Would you like me to review this on my channel? So the new GlassParency graphene coating. So as you guys know, ceramic coatings were super popular for the last 4 to 5 years. So silicon dioxide based or titanium dioxide coatings. So basically a lot more durable and pH resistant and more glossier and more hydrophobic properties compared to regular waxes or paint sealants. And the next evolution will be graphene based coatings. So yeah, let me know in the comment section under the video if you want me to do a full review of this graphene coating. But again, hard for me to hide my smile. Those of you who have been following my channel for a while know that when I'm excited, it's very hard to hide that fact. And they also have the boost. So this here is a booster or for the protection that you're going to add. So either it can be used as a standalone paint protectant or to also accelerate the graphene coating curing, or it can be used as the coating maintenance spray for your graphene coating. So again, this is part of their new pro lineup of detailing products that they're going to have available to you guys. And for the pan the organizer viewers, if you guys check the link in the description under the video, well, you're gonna have access to that at an introductory fee, meaning at a rebate. So I think that's pretty awesome that they're hooking the pan the organizer viewers up with these things if you want to try a good quality graphene coating. The mind it's blown. A big thank you, of course, to GlassParency for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. You guys rock. I think my viewers are absolutely going to love this. And yeah, they just came up with this awesome thing. So guys, once again, I strongly encourage, if you also want to have the best coating for glass that you can possibly have. I know many of my detailer YouTuber friends also love this. I know my buddy Brian from Apex is an authorized installer of GlassParency and absolutely loves it. This is as high-end as you can get for a glass protection. And now you guys can try this at home, free giveaway. So all you have to do is pay the shipping and handling, guys. That's pretty much it. And you're gonna get to enjoy this. That's freaking awesome. So what else? Is there anything left to say other than I'm super excited? And let me know once you guys try this. You know I always love to have your feedback. By the way, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, well, I think the video was jam-packed. I hope you guys are excited. So in the meantime, don't forget to keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.